In Shibaswap, check your Ryoshi Vision tokens. They should be loaded up in here. You should be able to see this right here. And let's talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Ryoshi Vision, you get this just by staking your Shiba in Shibaswap. You get your Ryoshi Vision tokens, and you should get this for 6 months. Now, I've been tracking this for a while, and after the 6-month mark, you should have around 291,000. Now, what I did, and this is a little bit of a trick, is this. Check this out. Now, you see 50 million Shiba on the Wallet Connect account, right? You see the 99? You see the 99, was that 99 million? Okay, well, that 99 million. So, but if I check wallets, because it's based on the wallet, if I go to Coinbase wallet, I also see a different type of number. This is how you can kind of get ahead just by staking your Shiba on different wallets. Now remember, Ryoshi Vision does not matter how much Shiba that you have staked in Shibaswap. You can have one Shiba staked there and you still would get the same amount of tokens like everybody else. So I figured out, I'm like, okay, I want to show the community that, listen, go ahead and get your Ryoshi Vision tokens. Because if I go here and if I go look at the price of Ryoshi Vision, and it's been moving, I'm telling you guys, this has been moving. It's down today. It's down today, but look what it's been doing since around about October 23rd. Look at this is moving here. So in my opinion, this has a chance of dropping to zero in the next few months, in my opinion. And you just get Ryoshi Vision just by staking it. Now you can buy Ryoshi Vision tokens, yes you can, and it tells you right here. You can get it on Shibaswap, Uniswap, and these other two as well. Now what I did was I added more Ryoshi Vision tokens from the Shibaswap by going to Ethereum. Make sure I have Ethereum, and I'm going ahead and making sure that I look for Ryoshi Vision. Ryoshi Vision. Now there is a Ryoshi token out there, and it looks like this. Just beware of it. Just beware of it. I do not own this one right here, but there is a difference. Do your research. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. I do not own this. I have nothing negative to say about it. It's just that I prefer the Ryoshi Vision tokens because it's connected with Shibaswap, and all I have to do is swap my Ethereum to Ryoshi, and it goes right to my wallet. Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, or MetaMask. Because to me, I got my Wallet Connect, and I'm just collecting these tokens. That's what my idea is. It's collecting Ryoshi Vision tokens. I am a fan of Ryoshi Vision because they are branding themselves in the music industry. So I'm thinking, I should have about 291 million tokens just by staking it. And this is what I did. A little bit of a bonus here. Now this was an old pricing solution that I was working on, and we've actually moved up in price since I did the analysis. So let me go ahead and take the price of it is. If I do the price of this, and I'll go copy this and paste this right here. I paste this right here, right? So look at this. Now my Ryoshi Vision tokens, after end of 20 weeks, will be worth this today, $142. Basically, someone just giving this to you. This is gift wrapped. And of course, if you go down the line, if you continue holding out and the price continues to move, this is kind of some projection of how much it can be worth in the future. I'm not saying anytime soon, in the future. Little Timmy loves the future. So here it is, guys. Just by staking it, check your Shibaswap. Make sure you see your Ryoshi Vision tokens. I'll be back on another video to talk about these rewards and also about the wolfing and the actually farming area. I'm going to go back and do some training over that. So stay tuned for another video coming up probably here a little bit later. But Ryoshi Vision is in Shibaswap. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. The captain is in. He likes, well, I should say Timmy likes, little Timmy loves Ryoshi Vision. I'll see you on the next video.